Lost Club International, people of like minds. Lost Club International, people of like minds. People of like minds. Lost Club International.
It's in the city of Houston, Texas. Yes, it is here again, that event of the year, and happening live in the city of Houston, Texas, as the Lost Club International welcomes and hosts the entire city of Houston, Texas to the 2025 induction of her new members. This mega event will hold on October 18th, 2025 at the Igbo Catholic Community Center in Houston, Texas at 8 p.m. Lord Dr. Gerald M.S.C. Chairman, Lost Club International. Lord Roosevelt Ibe, Induction Committee Chairman. Lord Bishop Emma Okereke, Emeritus Chairman and Member, Induction Committee. Lord Dr. Ejimako Mbanaso, Assistant PRO and Member, Induction Committee. Lord Emma Ede Ozo, Member, Induction Committee. Lord Theophilus Arisuku, Franchise, Member, Induction Committee. Lord Sam Eze, Member, Induction Committee. Lord Kingsley Wasiroba Oni, Member, Induction Committee. Lord Darlington Ofefle, Member, Induction Committee. And to be inducted as the first patron of the Lost Club International is no other person than the Pokre Odinawoke Arutuako one Ochirosa Idego Upaka Nambano Domneri Isimili Jako Isiafro Paboku Ijele Dinawoke Eriwa Wawu Ekwena Kurora Ierioba I Owane Tirora Iwoke Hinanyum Manko in the person of Lord Sir Linus Wama, the first patron, Lost Club International. Others to be inducted as members are Lord Emeka Onyenwe Ubunna, Lord Kennedy Obi Wachinemere, Lord Moses Nwonye, Lord Kwamila Jeko, Lord Nkosi Nwankwo, Lord Gideon Anyanwu, Lord Chris Onowa, Lord Dan Onyeje. Others are Lord Ralph Uba Afunwa, Lord Henry Iwu, Lord Engineer Chijoke Iwu, and Lord Hyacinth Enyinmea. There is going to be a lot to eat and drink, coupled with excellent and melodious music and sounds. Do not be left out, as the entire city of Houston stands still on the 18th of October 2025 for the induction of the new members of the Lost Club International. Don't be left out. Come and partake in this
Lost Club, Lost Club, Lost Club International. My chairman, I present to you the new inductees.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the wives of inductees, please come on out. to the stage to support your husband. All the wives of the inductees, please step on out to the table. If your husband is inducting, please come on out and support your husband. We're not asking you for money. Just come on out, stand by your man. Ladies and gentlemen, your wives are refusing to come out. I might use force to do that. All the wives of inductees, please come on out. I know you're serving food. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Go support your man. Come on out and support your man. Stand by your man. Come right out. Lord Obama has his wife beside him. The time has come to show off and show out. All the way, okay. All the wives of inductees, please come on out. All you have to do is stand by your man. Lord, our son will salute you. We hate you. And your lovely wife as well. Lord.
You inducted? Yeah. Okay, you sit down after we get to it, okay?
All the wives of inductees, I know you are guarding the food. I know you are protecting the food. But we need your help, please, for a few minutes. No wife, no induction. No wife, no induction. Love's Club is tough. Come on.
Good evening. I'm good. Are you? My girl. My girl. My girl. My girl.
My honorable inductees. Yes, please, spouses. You know, this is a ceremony we perform every time because you are also getting inducted. You now become associate members and you are entitled to all the benefits that the Lost Club endows. So when you place your hand on top of your husband's shoulder, it shows that solidarity. You're with him all the way. And we hope that you continue to support in this journey. My new inductees, you have in your hands the Constitution of the Lost Club International. Our Constitution always holds supreme, 39. And then you're taking an oath tonight to be with us. So please, if you can, raise your right hand as we recite the oath and your wives are right behind you as we do that. So please repeat after me. I, then state your name. Do declare my intention to join the Lord's Club International. I solemnly pledge on my honor to conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of being a member of this global club. I will actively participate and support all activities and programs, observe the rules, regulations, and policies of the club. Above all, I will defend and preserve the club's
Thank you. Yes. I can move with them. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. And then we will have one. Yes. God help you.
I can't go. Jump smart. Agbara na nwanne m nwoke na ahụ. Kwụsị ego ego ka dị. Unu achọ ọzọ. Ọ dị ka unu achọ ọzọ. Okay, come on. I got
inductees.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the wives of inductees, please come on out to the stage to support your husband. All the wives of inductees, please step on out to the table. If your husband is inducting, please come on out and support your husband. We're not asking you for money. Just come on out, stand by your man. Ladies and gentlemen, your wives are refusing to come out. I'm not use force to do that. All the wives of inductees, please come on out. I know you saw the room. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Go support your man. Come on out and support your man. Stand by your man. Come right out. Lord what has his wife desire? The time has come to show up and show out. Okay. All the wives of inductees, please come on out. All you have to do is stand by the man. Lord, also you will do it. And you love your as well. Lord. All the wives of inductees, I know you are guarding the food. I know you are protecting the food. But we need you up here, please. Fulfill it. No, no.
My honorable inductees, yes, please, spouses. You know, this is a ceremony we perform every time because you are also getting inducted. You now become associate members and you are entitled to all the benefits that the Lord's Club endows. So, when you place your hand on top of your husband's shoulder, it shows that solidarity. You're with him all the way. And we hope that you continue to support in this journey. My new inductees, you have in your hands the Constitution of the Lord's Club International. Our Constitution always holds supreme. 39. you're taking an oath tonight to be with us. So please, if you can, raise your right hand as we recite the oath, and your wives are right behind you as we do that. So please repeat after me. I, then state your name, do declare my intention to join the Lord's Club International. I solemnly pledge on my honor to conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of being a member of this noble club. I will actively participate and support all activities and programs, observe the rules, regulations, and policies of the club. Above all, I will defend and preserve the club's cause. Shake and welcome to our new inductees. And our spouses. Because you are future leaders of the Lord's Club International. Please, your spouses, please. Former First Lady, yeah? First Lady, Biko Miari, come and welcome our new associates to the Lord's Club International. Yes. Una Adigo familiar with this greeting. This is a solemn call. The Lord Bishop, please help us welcome the new members of the Lord's Club International. These are noble men of honor. These are distinguished gentlemen in the Houston community. These are not just men from anywhere, men of Timber and Canada. That is the kind of people who want to the Lord's Club International. This is the beginning of great beginnings. This is the beginning of good things to come. Yes. You are being inducted into the best club in Houston. It is a privilege and an honor to be a member of the Lord's Club International. Yes. Take your time. This is wonderful. This is something we do once every 3 years. This is something we look forward to welcome new members into the Lord's Club International. These men have willingly accepted to be members of the Lord's Club International, and we wholeheartedly welcome each and every one of you to the club. And I have to go, including your spouses, for being here. You know, we can't do anything without our spouses. But you,
and gentlemen, all of you present, as soon as you leave here, exit to the door. With the rest of the members, we are going to bring in our patron, the first patron, the honorable patron. All members of the Lost Club, please step outside for a moment. Please. Let's go outside to bring in our patron. The first Lost Club patron. Yes, sir. Lost. My Lord. Also, let's go get the patron. Let's go.
Thank you.
All right, come on. Let's go get the patron.
Thank you.
Well, solution. Let's go get a patron. Come on up. Let's go get the patron, right?
Good evening.
Let's go get it.
All them.
Yeah. Come on down, come on up, come on up.
Thank you. At this time, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we want all the inducted members of Lost Club International to please go change into our official uniform and get prepared for their individual procession and handshake with the chairman. Please step out, go change into our official uniform and get prepared for individual procession to have a handshake with the chairman. Let me recognize the presence of Chief.
What they are doing, sir? What they are doing, sir? Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Chairman, good to see you. Recognize of Lost Club International. He has been here for a long time, and we have to say, please, a round of applause for a man with extensive responsibility. Thank you. Recognize also the presence of my own brother. Is taking a divine color to the people's culture. The Silver Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, this is a sacred moment. A time we are ready to perform one of the sacred things associated with every club, the investiture of the person. He is a man that occupies a dual capacity. The chairman of the board of directors and the president of Lost Club. Lord Chief Lord Linus Rama. Offload. 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 Petrol. Offload. One at one. Offload. Offload. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Offload. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, please offload so that others can see the formal investiture of the first patron of Lost Club International. Acting in dual capacity, he is also the chairman of board of directors. Onyan Ebumalifone, my chairman, over to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. This must be one of the longest entrances I have seen in this club. Lord Mama, you are a man of integrity, you are a man of big temerity. There are so many people here to support you tonight. Yes. This is a wonderful evening today. This is a testament of the kind of man and woman that we have here in front of us tonight. This is a testament of your magnanimity and love that is shown to you by all the people that are here to support you tonight. And the Lord's Club appreciates you and appreciates everything you've done for us. We'll start by definitely recognizing your wife, because we will ask the First Lady to yes, wherever a man is, there must be a woman. Yes. This is the first investiture that the Lost Club International is going to have in this club. We are privileged to have you. We appreciate you. And the members of the Lost Club International who are here understand the gravity of this. When this man enters into the room where we are, we must all stand and recognize his presence. To be a patron, to be recognized as a patron. You have met all the qualifications that require you to be a patron. The first thing I hear, you can see, as I am proudly wearing as the chairman of the Lost, it's a distinguished honor. Let me call on my emeritus chairman, Lord Bishop Imokereke, to put on our patrons sash on top of his head. This is the beginning. This is one of those things we used to say, thank you. Everywhere we have an official Lost Club event, you are welcome to wear your sash to the event, so that not just members, everyone will recognize the presence of the patron of the Lost Club International. Yes, as my emeritus chairman continues to decorate him, I can see the next thing we want to give to our patron who is here tonight is the staff of office. As the patron of the Lost Club, nobody else has this staff of office. I am going to call on my emeritus chairman, Lord Jonioka. This is a special staff. What the heck? Even if they have not done it, they're going to engage. This is a special center that was prepared for the patron of the Lost Club International. It has on it in blossom the logo of the Lost Club International. This is not just any scepter. This is what the club says. We want to honor you. Engineer, no matter what,
Really?
Yes.
I'm sure it's me or something.
My able Arupala.
Well, we
International. We want to present to you this scepter in recognition of your yes, as the patron of the Law School International. This is specially designed. I played for almost a month before it got to us. It is a special gift by the Law School International.
Please, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.
Yes, this is the one and only, and we recognize it. We thank you. Yes, thank you. Lord Mama, yes, we are not done yet. The Lord's Club is not done yet. Today, having recognized you as having met all the conditions that we require to be a patron of the Lost Club. This is a distinguished club. Although everybody gathered and we are patron. You can see, it has taken us many years to now come and decide and then come to the conclusion that you will be the first patron of the Lost Club International. It is an honor. It is a privilege that we will have you in our presence, and we want to honor you. I also have in my hand tonight a certificate of patronship. This certifies that Lord Linus Wama, having met the necessary patronship requirements, this award is given in appreciation and recognition of your immense contributions, dedication, and philanthropic support towards the growth of the Lost Club International. This is given this 18th day of October of the year 2025. And it is truly signed by the chairman, Lord Dr. Gerald Emerson, and the secretary, Lord Chijoku. Yes.
Applause for the veteran of the Law School International, Chief Dr. Linus Wama.
This is the first time. This is the first time. It won't let me record it.
Lost Club.
I've been deleting.
Lost Club.
Okay, wait,
Lost Club International. And ladies and gentlemen, our friends that have come here to witness this crowning. We appreciate you for coming. And to the Lost Club, I promise to hold this best of my knowledge and the pride, and work hard to make Lost Club the best and the best club in the city. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. And I want to recognize our first chairman of the Lost Club in place of Chief Dr. A.Z. Balozo. Thank you for coming, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes, you're welcome.
Please, a round of applause as our patron goes back to his seat. Thank you, DJ Brown. Thank you, DJ Brown. Thank you. Kind on DJ. Lord Ngozi Wako, Lord Kwame Lasseko, Lord Rafuwa, Lord Ubani Ukoma. Please. We are in auto mode now, no more ceremonies. We want to do this induction and invite Akira Moses. And Akira Moses is in the house. Before then, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome Sajud Ejogu. Please, a round of applause as we welcome and recognize. Thank you. Ice water. Please, we want all the newly inducted members of Lost Club International to take this announcement very seriously. We don't have. Please don't spread them when they are in the hallway. Hold them.